Hello everyone, this is Nicholas from COB LED company. Today I will show you our RH-COB series outdoor event LED screen panel. It mainly features with COB technology with fine pixel pitch design, so it can be moisture proof, waterproof, and dust proof, which is more suitable for humid areas and coastal places. And it can also reach touch version with infrared. What's more, some of our customers asked for the screen with high resolution in a limited place. It can achieve 14-bit grayscale, 5000 to 1 contrast ratio, and 3840 Hz refresh rate, and the P1.9 brightness exceeds 3500 nits, which meets the needs of outdoor applications. Ultra-thin and weight design, the thickness of this COB panel is only 94 mm, and weight for per panel is 8.4 kgs. Compared with SMD panel, the COB panel will be less graininess and moire, better visual experience and shooting effect. Also, COB LED screen can achieve dust-proof, waterproof, and anti-collision, can be widely used in different places. Now let us check some humanized designs for this panel. Generally, the panel reach quickly positioned by the location pin on the top cabinet. But for RH-COB series, we add strong magnetic magnets for positioning based on the location pin, which can realize the splicing installation between the upper and lower cabinets faster, greatly saving your installation cost. There are two fast locks on each side, quickly assembly and seamless connection. RH-COB series support dislocation splicing, can create more possibility of staging design. We also provide light leaking strip for this panel, keep your whole screen working with color consistency. There are 4 edge protectors for each cabinet. It can protect your corner LEDs from damage during transportation and installation. Also, the landing protection design. There will be 2 mm gap from the bottom to the ground, preventing the bottom LEDs from the collision caused by the falling down. Well-known brand Citronic PowerCon and Datacon, waterproof and stable. With 4 plugs, it supports dual backup of power supply and data to meet the requirements of some high-end occasions for no black screen. The power box is completely cable-free design, wireless connection, no tool maintenance required. When the power fails, it only takes 30 seconds to complete the replacement. The humanized power box has a foolproof design to prevent the module from being burnt due to misuse. In addition, we have further optimized and upgraded the power interface, abandoning the traditional pin header interface, adding reinforcement ribs. We upgrade the rubber ring to all-round type to double guarantee the waterproof effects. We can print your logo here to promote your brand and company locally and reach more target audience effectively. RH-COB series can reach easy maintenance by front service and rear service. Module replacement freely up and down, left and right, easy operation and maintenance. There is no need to buy more spare parts, saving your purchase cost. For all of our products, we provide 5 years warranty. Our engineer will do irregular inspection for your screen during the warranty period. We can provide one-stop purchase. In addition to LED screen and flat case, we can provide all kinds of controller, truss, hanging bars, support brackets, power distribution box, ramps and stage lights to meet all the demand of your events applications. What's more, We can provide the solution from 2D to 3D display effects, greatly improve ROI of your display and help you create more possibilities for business. So, if you are interested in our RH-COB series outdoor LED screen, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.